Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to present about sistem monitoring pasang surut air laut dan cuaca dengan energi terbarukan untuk masyarakat pesisir pantai. Here, I will introduce my group. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Mariana Ulfasanti Safitri. I'm as team leader and mechanical. Jesa Alia as electrical and PBL report, Nur Sakina as electrical, Muhammad Nabil as program, Claudia as program. Okay, for the first explanation will be explained by Claudia.
Tool Introduction. The majority of Indonesian people live from fishermen because most of the ocean area. This tidal and water monitoring system help the community in monitoring tides and water when they want to do their activities. Our tidal and water monitoring system uses battery to operate the device. Its purpose is to monitor and predict changes in tides and water for coastal users such as fishermen, natural resource management, and disaster mitigation.
Next, this is timeline, which from the first week the completion week has been carried out accordance with the timeline made. Next, we enter into the component using these monitoring tools. The first is a 3.7 volt battery, which is the lithium type battery, so that it can be charged or reviewable. The second is a fuse, the function as system protector from excessive voltage and siren. The third, there is a toggle switch, which is turning on and off the tool system. Furthermore, there is an Arduino Uno, which plays the important role in the capturing data from Connect sensor. The LCD will display the data from the Arduino truck, the Connect sensor. Prototype box as the truck are for electrical component in the future. Push button as replacement, which is for LCD display. When the push button is pressed, the display screen will alternately display to the sensor data. Well, the sensor we use the first when there is a ultrasonic sensor uses a distance sensor measuring the water level to the surface. The second is the DHT number 22 sensor, which is useful for measuring air temperature and humidity. And finally, there is a rain sensor that detect the presence of rain.
Well, on the next slide is electrical diagram and flow. There are input blocks, process block, and output blocks. The workflow is that the system starts operating by turning on the toggle switch. The Arduino starts initializing and waiting for input from the sensors. The Arduino takes sensor data periodically and save it to the appropriate variable. Then, process data to be prepared to be displayed on the LCD. When displayed on LCD, the data displayed alternates according to the input from the push button. This is an electrical wiring display. The positive pin on all components here is connected to positive, and the negative pin is connected to ground. The HT22 is connected to digital pin because, according to the datasheet, the HT22 outputs a signal digital. The rain sensor uses analog pin A0. The resistance value on the sensor changes if there is a lot of water on the sensor surface, then the resistance is small. If there is a small amount of water, then the resistance is large. Then sensor ultrasonic has trig and echo pins connected to digital. How it works is by sending ultrasonic wave to an object, then reflect and receive by echo pin. Then there is an LCD. The SDA and SCL pins are connected to A5 and A4, function to display sensor data. Then the push button as a replacement switch for the display on the LCD screen. Further explained by Mariana.
Okay everyone, here I will explain the mechanic. The mechanical design of the tidal and watering monitoring system tool with renewable energy for coastal community consists of two parts. In the first part, there is a box which functions to minimize the placement of components in which there are electrical devices such as Arduino Uno, batteries, performant PCB, ultrasonic sensor, humidity sensor, rise sensor modules, and LCD. In the second part, there is an electrical box holder which functions as a place to place the electrical box.
Okay, in the program, the interface display is a 16 multiple to LCD, served to display monitoring of tides, temperature, humidity, and weathers from sensor use, ultrasonic sensor, DHT22 models, and raindrop models. Next, first is to enter the library from the wire, A2C LCD, and DHT. Then, initiate the trigger pin, echo pin, DHT pin, button pin, raindrop module NL pin, and initiate the type of DHT sensor use. Also, the initiation of button condition, button debouncing, and button counters. Then, there is initiation of the use of the I2C LCD 16 multiple 2 and the DHT 22 sensor module. In the void setup, there is an initiation of the use of pin modes, button and echo as input, trigger as output. Then there is a syntax for starting the DHT sensor and a new class, namely preparation. In the void loop, there is a logic program for the function of the button as a display change from each sensor using the switch case logic. Then, in the preparation class, there is a syntax to start the LCD, set the brightness of back screen, the display text commands, and set the row and columns of the LCD. That's all for me. Thank you, and will be continued with by my friend.
Next, the sensor program. First, program the temperature sensor. Cause float temperature calibration factor equal 0.1 is the value of the new variable for the error factor of the temperature reading. Cause integer humidity calibration factor equal 15 is the value of the new variable of the factor error of the humidity reading. If is none, the instant function is used to determine whether the given value is none or not a number with or logic. Next, program sensor rainstorm. Void sensor hujan equal void persiapan is new function to be initiated in the void loop. Integer data sensor equal analog read AO pin is a new variable for the analog input read integer value of the AO pin. Cek ambang equal hasil nilai analog sensor. Then it's made into logic that is made it can display what is command. Next, program sensor ultrasonic. Void sensor ultra is a new function to be initiated in the void loop. Long duration this time is new variable with a data type greater than integer. Digital write trick low is set trick pin to low, setting up the trigger signal. Delay microsecond to wait for 2 microseconds of stabilization. Digital write trick high is set the trick pin to high to transmit the ultrasonic pulse. delay microsecond 10. Wait for 10 microsecond.
Problem of our project: 1. Lack of time. 2. Project work is not in accordance with the planned material. 3. Lack of reference. 4. Lack of understanding in the use of sensor, if and sensor occurs. 5. Inadequate facilities. Future work of our project: improvement to mechanical design, testing the tool, improvisation on the program, addition of wind speed sensor, testing, evaluation, and interpretation. Okay everyone, this is output of our project. Okay everyone, that is our short video from the project. When you try something new, you will gain experience. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Got on my leather jacket Thriller. The show ain't nothing Miller. Man, I'm a lady killer. If I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I can make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
This is everything you say. Not important what you stand for. Asking will we be the one? I'll be gone before you done too.
So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Waiting for love to
Just never, you got no hold, not no sliver.
You're
All
not
day I
getting
keep
what
drinking
you
whiskey
want.
straight until I got no liver.
Tryna
Cold like
salvage
that, make you
what's
shiver.
inside.
Snatching
Now
bitches,
you
we
got
do
a
get her. I
mind
see
to
why. Like then I just go get her, lady killer, get familiar. Yeah, I respond to what I like. Swear that shit goes down like every other night. Man, I fucking love this life. Put it down and these hoes say they love the pipe. No, I'm not the bring back to your mother type. No, off that whiskey 101 proof. I'm just mixing that with remove. She'll be taking if you're aloof. We just fucked on top of that roof. This is real life. These ain't just no raps. I kick in the booth. Everything I say is the truth. Make her disappear just like poof. Then she's gone. Addicted, don't know what the fuck I'm on. I can't stop it when I feel it coming on. When we chill, it starts with smoking something strong. Take her